Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and it's 4 boxes from one sheet of 12 by 12 designer series paper. And so literally I took one sheet, cut it into 4 pieces of 6 by 6, 15 by 15 centimetres. And obviously the Painted with Love suite comes with all sorts of different sort of well, it's got 4 different colours in it mainly, but it's also got this one big sheet that's got this watercolour wash, and it's got the Calypso coral in it that's faded with a bit of melon mambo and some fresh fig and all sorts of colours, as well as the gold. So these 3 are the other parts of this big sheet, and this is the one I'm left over. And this one, I put the gold on the horizontal. This one I put it on the vertical, which you can kind of see. This one I've got the gold on the horizontal, so I'm going to do this one this way round. So, and see if I can get the pink to be dominant. Okay, so 6 by 6, 15 by 15 centimetres. And let's have a go. I want to see if I can get that pink dominating. Although I do feel it's probably going to fall around the back, but we'll have a bash. Okay, 1 3/8 of an inch. 2 3/4, 4 1/8 of an inch, and 5 1/2 inches. And don't worry about writing anything down, it's all over on my blog. Yeah, that's going to go around the back, isn't it? Because that's going to be my back. Oh well. 3 1/2, 7, 10 1/2, 14 centimetres, and then turn it round and work out which one you want to be bottom and which at the top. So, oh, noisy kitten. 1 3/8 of an inch. 4 5/8 of an inch, and then turn it over and 5 5/8 of an inch. So in metric, 3 1/2, 11 1/2, turn it over, 14. And that's how we're going to get this nice part here, just in there like that. Right, so let's get folding. Where's my bow folder? There we go. And I love it that you can get 4 from a sheet. You know what I'm like. You've watched my videos long enough, then you would have known. I like to be frugal, and I like to make projects where I can get multiples from one sheet. I don't like to have leftovers, if I can. So, and this one's going to come backwards. And you're going to end up with sort of that kind of a shape. So let's get some bits trimmed off. So this is the top, so just take a tiny little bit away. And that will be Sorrel outside the door. She is in season right now, unfortunately. She's only 5 1/2, 6 months old. And she's very loud and very vocal. So I need to take her to the vet soon. Right, so those bits are trimmed. And where's my fast fuse? Don't forget, stock up now. Maybe I ought to put a direct link to this in the description bar. Well, it's all over on my blog anyway. Right, so how can I get the pink to be round the front? I could do it like that. So I could put that as my back. Fold those in. Yay, I got it as the front. Okay, so pinch in at the sides. And obviously it will stop because I've put this mark in here. And that's going to be perfect. Yay! I got there. Oh, it's hard work, isn't it? But I'm easily pleased. Right, library clips. Pin it on the front. And then from the same suite, we've got these lovely tinsel trimmers. This one and the gold one. They come as a pair. I want the pink. So I can tie a bow if it's not attached to anything. I just can't tie a bow when it's wrapped round something. Then I have issues. I did a card the other day and somebody went, "Oh, it's a perfect bow, Sam." I know. It wasn't attached to anything, that's why it was a perfect bow. Oh, it's just not good, is it? Oh, I think that's a bit long. Oops. There we go. Mini glue dot on the back of here. And just on the top. Too cute. And then a bit of stamping. Now, I kind of don't really know which colour to go with now, because I've got my Calypso coral, I've got my melon mambo, and I've got the Actually, I think I went with Rich Razzleberry. Oh, I've twizzled my bow. I don't know. Oh, which colour shall I go with? Shall I go with Berry Burst? That's close enough, isn't it? It's the same but not. Right, scrap of Whisper White. Oh, let's cut a bit off. Trim that down for scraps, I think. And I've got the Label Me Pretty stamp set here, which is lovely, and I like this. You're the best. Oh, you are the best. Right, on there. Oh, just flipped that. And then a 1 3/8 of an inch scallop circle. And then I've got some gold here, and I want the next size up for my circle, and that's the 1.5 inch, which I can't see. Where's it gone? Oh, it's there. I'd be dangerous, wouldn't I, if my brain was intact at all times. So, and then we don't have enamel shapes in Berry Burst, but we do have enamel shapes in gold. So let's carry on with the whole gold thing. And we'll have a large and a smaller one just there. Dimensionals on the back. Oops, dropsy. And that is 4 bags from 1 sheet of Designer Series paper. And literally, they are 4 bags from 1 sheet. The same sheet, but cut and scored in opposite directions to get different patterns. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Oh, a quick video, 7 minutes. Wow, that's fast for me. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.